Hi everyone, in today's video I will talk about plans and to-dos in Claude Cowork. So, as I said, in today's video I will talk about plans and to-dos in Claude Cowork, because it is very important to say that when you give a Claude Cowork a complex task, it doesn't just execute it, it breaks it down into a plan and set of to-dos. So, I will show an example of how does it work in this video. So of course, let's move to the Cowork section right there, and let's connect the folder that I prepared for this video. So let's go to the documents, to the cloud, and I will connect this folder. Inside of this folder, we have a lot of files. As you can see, the names are pretty weird. Some of them, the extension are mixed. So we have the MD extension, log extension, txt extension. We have some scripts. And we will ask Cowork to organize this folder. So I will type in the prompt to organize the folder, to rename every document, and so on. And because this task is, I would say, a little bit complicated, because first of all, the Cowork needs to scan this folder. Second of it needs to analyze files. Third of all, it needs to, maybe will ask to generate a summary, so it also has to generate a summary, and for example, we ask to create a report. So he needs to do at least 4 things, and this is why it is complicated. And you will see that we will have this plan right here. And maybe for now I will write this prompt. So let's do something like this. So organize this folder. Cowork basically will probably will ask me some questions, because if I will just do rename, he will ask about the syntax, I think. So organize this folder, rename files, for example, summarize each document, but of course I made a spelling mistake right there. And what we can do, and create a final report like this. Now, if I will call this prompt, you will see that the Cowork is actually creating a plan of what he is going to do. So let's press enter. So, we are waiting, we have thinking. First of all, he's loading tools. And now, let me first pick at what's in your folder, so I can ask a smarter question. As I said, first of all, he needs to scan a folder. So this is the first part. Good, I can see your folder. There are 9 files in total. One has rich content about AI.md, one has simple data numbers.txt, and the rest are empty. A few have messy names, so as I said, let me ask a few quick questions before diving in. So this is the first part of the plan. He scanned the folder, and the second part of the plan, he analyzed the files. Now, he is asking me about what he needs to do, because I didn't specify it. If you didn't watch the video about why Cowork is asking the questions, you can go back and watch it. But what should I do with the empty files? So you can either skip them, you can either delete them, and you can note them in the report. So maybe I will skip them, it is not very important in that case. And what format should be the final report in? Markdown, PDF, docx. So I will use docx, it will be the best, I think. So now, the Cowork will generate a summary and will create a report. So perfect, I will skip a empty file and create a word record. Now he's generating a summary, as you can see here. So he's thinking, he's running a skill with the docx. And now, good, now let me read full file content, let me build the to-do list and get to work. So as I said, now he will create the to-do list. What is to-do list? To-do list is a execution layer. So each to-do is a concrete action for example, read file, write a summary, create this output. Here we are running the script, as you can see. We are renaming files with unclear name, writing the word report, and validate the report. And everything is working, as you can see here. So Python docx is available. Let me write this report in. And writing file, creating. So this is how it works. First of all, we talked about this plan. So the plan was to scan the folder, analyze it, get the summary, and create the report. And then he started to do something what we call to-dos, which is execution layer. And it is showing the items appearing, the items getting checked, for example, as you can see here, the creating this file. So this is how does it work. And we have also the live progression. We have task progression right here. We have the checkboxes updating. So that's pretty important. And what is the key difference between plan and to-do? Plan is basically the strategy, how it will work, and this to-do is the action. So right now we are in the to-do mode. And the plan often is relatively stable, I think, but to-dos can evolve during the execution. As you can see, it can take a little bit. So we are waiting. It renamed the file with uncleared names, so we can actually go into the folder right here, and I think it hasn't refreshed yet, so we will wait a bit. And now it is working on it. As you can see, something happened. Write folder organization report, and now validating the report like this. And now renamed about AI MD to artificial intelligence overview.md, so we can check it. As you can see, it is true. Renamed skipped the empty file, so it is the same. And here we have the report. So we have the folder organization report, which is here total files, file with content, empty, file skipped, and so on. We have 2 pages of this report. So as you can see, this is how it works. Again, the plan is a strategy that AI model is creating before doing something, and to-dos are the actions that he is actually executing. So this writing is to do, this, for example, using a skill is to do, and so on. So he used the skill, he renamed the file, and number.txt could stay as it is, or rename it to number sequence.txt. We can check if he changed the name. No, he hasn't. So the AI model thought that this numbers.txt is the accurate name, but he think for a bit that he can change it to number sequence. But this is, as you can see, how does it work. So when you have the a little bit complicated prompt to do, he will just separate it to smaller steps and organize it like this. So that's all in this video. This is how it works. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.